Hey, I wanted to share this with you. I was trying to figure out how to push snow with the front loader without scraping up the driveway or grinding down the front loader edge. And when I looked online, the actual cutting edges, like PVC cutting edges or other material cutting edges, were expensive, $200 to $300. So I went to Home Depot and bought this composite decking. And altogether, this 4-foot length of decking is maybe $4 or $5, I believe. It was very cheap. And all I did was use 3/8 inch bolts that I already had and drill them through holes that are already in the front loader. So the holes were already in the front loader, and I just drilled holes. I did sink them a little bit, so if this bucket is flat, it's not scraping the bolts on the concrete. But that was it. And the idea is, again, to protect the cutting edge of the front loader bucket. And the idea with this is, once this will wear down, I'm sure, and once it does, I can just flip it around and use the other edge then. So a few dollar piece of composite decking will go a long way. And then I read about this in a tractor forum, so I thought I'd try it. I put just a piece of PVC tube that we actually just happened to have. We found it in the back of the property, and I just cut a single slit, down the entire length of the PVC tube, and with like a Dremel tool, and open it up to stick it on there. It's actually kind of hard. I had to start on the edge and then tap it in with a hammer to get it across the whole length. You can't just slide it on, it's too much force. But once it's on there pretty good. So I'll test it out here today and see how this works. So let's see how this PVC held up here. Oh, I guess you gotta get down low, but it's actually still smooth. It doesn't look like we used it at all. And then that front cutting edge, you can see what that looks like here. So of course it's I did test it out a little bit before it snowed, just to see. So it looks like it grounded away a little bit prior, and this was all before we started. But naturally this is gonna wear away, and then we just unbolt it and flip it around. But that's it. For a few dollars, you can protect the cutting edge and the concrete of the box loader and the front loader. Hey, everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment below. I'll respond. Bye.
And now he's living the life of Riley.